Now let us understand what are the features of C so that we can learn and try to implement in developing some programs. So C is one of the easiest language to start with for any other languages to adopt in coming future. C has some of the very important features. The first one is it is very simple and it is very easy to understand. The second one is C is a very powerful language in the aspect of developing embedded programming, and in many of the security applications they try to use C programming language. And the third benefit or third feature of C programming language is it is very fast and efficient for the end user to understand and get the output. The fourth feature is modularity, which we call it as a function. As part of our C, we will be seeing in our next lectures. Modularity, this is also a very important feature. The next one is it is a syntax based. We write any program, we need to follow the rules which are being framed by Dennis Ritchie. It is syntax driven, and C programming is case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitivity is the uppercase characters as well as the lowercase characters are different. Okay. Next, a C is a structure oriented programming language, and in some of the books we say C is a low level language. In some of the books we read it is a middle level language. In some of the books we also see it is a high level language. So depending upon the usage, we can categorize this whether it comes in the higher level, middle level or lower level. So we can say it is a middle level language. The other one is we also have pointers which are very useful for extracting the data where it is exactly located with their address. So we will be also seeing this pointers, which is very important feature of C. And C is a platform independent. So we don't want to bother about where we are writing a program and where it is going to be executed. So we write a program on one, we can execute on many devices. That is what the another feature we call it as portability. There is a portability in the programming whatever we write it. So these are some of the features of C programming language, which makes us very benefit in working with in very easier way and more convenient to the programmers.